how to use Matic Bridge. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this video. So let's get started right away. Now what you want to do is go to this website right here. If you just search for Matic Bridge, then you should find this website. Now here, just click on one of these wallets. I'm going with MetaMask, and then click on next and connect it to this right here. Oh, here we have to sign this, and now we're here. So here you have like a quick thing like how it works, FAQ and user guide, and here you actually have the transfer thing. So if you click on MetaMask, and then you want to make sure it's on mainnet, just like that. And once you've done that, you can basically choose whatever you want. So let's say this would be fine. I would fill in like 100 or something like that, even though I don't have it, but you can just do that just like this, and then just click on transfer, and that's how you can transfer with Matic Bridge. So that's basically everything there is to it. I hope this video helps you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked. I'll see you next time. Have a good day.